Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now open the chat section from the bottom of the screen. Now open a conversation and leave a message. Now if you go back, you'll see that the message has been delivered. And if the person is online, he will reply within a few moments. And there is another way to know if the person is online or not. Open the conversation and go to their profile by tapping on their profile icon on top left corner. Here you'll see the Snap Map feature. If the person has enabled it, then you'll see their last online location here. Now let me show you how you can enable the Snap Map feature. Go to your profile. Scroll down. Now tap on sharing location. If your ghost mode is enabled, then disable it. And now your friends will be able to see your online location. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.